Only one thing, Madam. I'm entitled.
Please do not make submission. The principal secretary is there. The court is trying to reason out what it is.
What is the prayer in the?
If the date of the joining, there was no 1 minute. There is no requirement of getting an order from the governor if you grant this pension from the regular date of joining. Where is the question of this? I am unable to understand this sentence.
Yes, kindly.
You engage these people from their initial engagement under CUDP 3, and at the same breath you say that they will, since the respective date of joining the regular supernumerary post. What does this mean? Both are contradictory to each other.
That I will be nowhere.
Not contradictory. My humble submission.
What is it?
This is the in compliance of the essence of the order. Mother, kindly come.
What is the date? Give me the date. Principal Secretary, are you here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, please say what does this line mean, because the court is unable to follow it. Which will be the date from which the service of the petitioners will be counted, whether it is from their engagement under CUDP or the regular posting in the municipal corporation, which is later than the engagement in CUDP.
That is from their joining on the regular post. From the date of their regular post. From date of joining the regular or supernumerary post in the HMC, ma'am.
That means you are not counting the engagement under CUDP 3.
No, ma'am.
Why have you mentioned that it will be counted initially engaged? See, the language is used. Governor is hereby pleased to accord approval for counting of past service of the 86 employees initially engaged under CUDP 3.
This is a scheme.
This is a scheme.
This is a scheme.
This was the project.
Yes.
Then, since the respective date of their joining.
That means those people who were engaged under CUDP 3,
They
you
were
will
authorized.
accord the past service. And then where is the question of past service?
Yes. Only one thing, Madam. I'm entitled. Madam,
Please do not make submission.
prayer
The
in the-
principal secretary is there. The court is trying to reason out what it is.
What is the prayer in the?
If the date of the joining, there was no 1 minute. There is no requirement of getting an order from the governor if you grant this pension from the regular date of joining. Where is the question of this obtaining approval from the governor?
They were joined in they were engaged in the CUDP project that was very temporary and contractual. Later on, it was decided that they will be engaged, they will be regularized only once there is a vacancy in the regular or supernumerary post. Whenever there is a vacancy in the regular and supernumerary post, they have been engaged, they have been regularized, their service has been regularized.
What
this
is going to
CUDP?
happen? See, had they not been in the CUDP 3, I do not know whether you would have engaged them or regularized them in the regular post or not. That is not the issue. Issue is whether the past service benefit under CUDP 3 you are according or not.
No, it will not be accorded, ma'am.
It will not be accorded. Now you have accorded this benefit to some other employees, and there is finance department's resolution that you will give the benefit from the initial date of joining in the scheme CUDP 3. What will be your answer to this?
No,
You
no,
are
it has not been approved, ma'am. It has not been approved. Only those people who have been engaged and regularized from the date of joining the regular post, they have been considered. We have considered that. That's what the finance department has also given the consent on that.
So it is your case that you have not given benefit to any of the employees in the CUDP 3 scheme.
Yes. These 86 we have not given them.
86 you have not given benefit. No, it's not matter of 86. Why will you give it to the others, and why will you not give it to these 86 people? Why this discrimination?
We don't have any such record, ma'am.
The records are here.
20 numbers admitted position.
There are 20 other employees.
No,
who were
these 20 cases never came to us. Never came to us.
Us means who else will it go to? It will go to the department. It cannot go to anybody else.
So it has not gone to us. We only This case came when these were referred to us from the DPPG, and then we made the scrutiny of the case, and that's we regularized those cases only from the date of their joining the regular post.
Right. There are, you please check your records. There are 20 other employees in whose favor you have granted the benefit of the past service when they were engaged under the
My
CUDP.
lord, department has not given any approval for those 20 people.
How are they getting the pension from the earlier date?
This case didn't come to us.
They approached the
Maybe
board.
you were not there
Yes.
at that point of time, but the records will suggest that this has been done. The petitioners are alleging discrimination, which as a state you cannot do.
Not only the petitioners have not come here.
Well,
One
these
thing,
20
petitioners,
My lord, kindly
Microphone.
May I just hand over? Milord, additional chief secretary, Milord, has submitted a report before this honorable court in connection with this Milord contempt proceeding itself.
When?
Milord, this was submitted before your lordship on 11th of March 2025. Additional chief secretary government of West Bengal. Kindly see paragraph
What
10.
is there? Please read so
Paragraph
that
10,
he
Milord,
can
I have
also
another
get to
copy.
know.
If your lordship,
No, I may have a copy here also.
Your lordship has to search
their
for it.
prayer is from the entry in the
Mr.
corporation.
Banerjee, why are you?
They are dragging it, my lord.
No, no.
Mr.
What
This
is
20
troubling you?
My lord.
The corporation should not be troubled because the principal secretary is here.
My lord, we are also,
the
we
language-
are also, they are our employees also.
These 20 people, Milord, they approached them.
And my lord, they have
For
to come.
some reason whatsoever, benefit has been granted to 20 and is denied to 86. Why this
But I
discrimination?
think, Milord, it has been denied. This particular interpretation, if your lordship once looks at this, paragraph 10, once your lordship, I will not find that from your lordship's brief also.
Yes, I can. You read out what is there. Let the others.
The paragraph 10,
এখানে রাখুন, let me see
paragraph
what is the
10,
paper.
the additional chief secretary, what has been sent, what has been approved by the UD, as well as Milord, the finance department has also issued fresh EO, that is of 19 Milord, February 2025. 3, since the aspect of ours.
No,
Let them
these
come with an
languages.
evidence.
Who is going to come with? Mr. Banerjee,
No, no.
please do not make any submission.
Milord, the language is,
Yes.
they are counting our past service since of date of joining of CUDP 3 to the date of our regularization.
Listen,
That is,
there
Milord,
is
this language.
that is
The
the
cabinet
jugglery of words.
Yes.
This secretary is interpreting in a different way. You are interpreting in a different way. The corporation is interpreting in a different way. Thing is, you actually show me that these 20 people got the benefit from their first date of joining under the CUDP,
Yes, yes.
and you have been denied. So there is discrimination is very apparent. Please show so that the principal secretary also gets to know that this
Very
has happened.